I'm going to take a quick spin around here. What we are waiting for, our vehicles waiting out there. There are a bunch more Defenders, 30, 90, and 110. Let me show you that the ongoing work is on the chassis assembly of this vehicle. Another vehicle with step number 1 completed, which is the chassis, steering, and suspension supported. It's already assembled. All of these are now waiting for assembly of the fuel and brake lines, right? Here we have a 2004 that only has the chassis ready, and the material is already all the electrostatic painting done on the components. Here underneath we have the springs. We are also waiting for the arrival of the axles and the steering box to assemble and complete step number 1. Over here, the same thing, another Defender 90 from 2001. All the components are ready, waiting for the axle and the steering box to come in so we can lift it, right? Here are just some parts from another car that we're working on. We're waiting for the axle and the steering box to come in so we can lift it, right? Here are just some parts from another car that we're working on. The Defender 130 from 96 that I showed you earlier. Here we already have the bodywork of a Defender 110, year 2001. This one I told you is going to be assembled for that client, right? Here we have a Discovery 2. This is undergoing a semi-restoration. We're not going to mess with the chassis and mechanics. Look at the paint here, see? The Epsom green, it's metallic, very beautiful. Here we have a Discovery 1 Camel Trophy. It's being turned into a replica of a Camel Trophy. The bottom part is here, and the top part is over there. We're organizing the workshop. The top part is over there under the cover on the lift. Over there, there's a car that's getting ready. Now we are installing the air conditioning. Here we have a 1997-90 soft top, and here is the 1996-90 soft top. They're basically two twin brothers. The project is the same with some differences, right? This client chose the Safari doors with the over window. We imported it. And here we are doing the interior assembly of the vehicles, right? This one is practically ready. And this one is being assembled, but the two are the same here. It's a 2008 Defender 110. A Puma, we are already restoring Pumas. There are already vehicles here that need attention. This is an SVX, Special Series 2009. This car was armored. The client bought it. The armor was removed from the car, and a complete restoration was done. To the original standards, it's meant to be a show car. This one, it's a collector's car. So, basically, I took a look at what work we have being done to get an idea of the dimensions.